Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the gamma on Dune Awakening. In order to adjust the gamma, go to the settings and now find display tab, and at the very top you'll see gamma. You'll also see this helper image, which you just need to adjust the gamma based on your preferences. It doesn't show you instructions, but I'd suggested that this first image is almost invisible. This one is fairly visible, and this one is just perfectly fine. So I'm just gonna turn it down a little bit, not that much. So you can see, you can adjust either the arrows or slide it across the screen. I think that for my display this works fine, and you can apply the changes by clicking on Enter key or by clicking on a button down below. And that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.